Hi there, look down here, tweeted, but Facebook is blocking at this time. So first of all, I highlight this text and copy it. So copy, go to share. I've already tweeted this out, but wanted to go into Facebook, want to tweet it out. Let me paste that text in there. Take that blank line out of the top. If I can. Come on, you can do it. There we are. I post to Facebook, press post to Facebook. Sorry, this feature isn't available right now and never occurred while processing this request. Please try again later. And I've had this for half an hour, not all that long to be honest with you. But what on earth is going on with Facebook? And I've tried going on Facebook direct and posting it and I get the same message. I'm not going to do that. Oh yes, look up this. What is a psychology? Rolling sleeves up. And you'll see a picture on here at the beginning, I think. There he is, sleeves rolled up, sleeves rolled up. I work hard. Propaganda, psychology, brainwashing, twisting your brain. Look at the face on this nurse here. Says what really is happening. This lady here looks shocked. This lady just about make out her face. Looks like she's looking daggers at Boris. I don't know what this one's doing. He's probably some lackey of Boris's sent in there to pretend he's a health professional. Wake up, people, wake up.